Well guys, very good morning to you in this fabulous morning. And I was jogging today in the morning. I had gone out of my home at around 5:30, well before the sun had risen. And while I was running on the tarmac, I saw this foot trail and came onto this. So today we'll discover how my morning routine goes. This is a beautiful ruin which I saw here, so stop by. Moving ahead. From the ruins I had come ahead, and now I can see a railway track and a small underpass. Okay, let's go through it. So this is a track which goes from the Tirunelveli railway station towards Chennai. I think I should go on the railway track. From there I think I'll get a better foot track to cross this undulating ground. This railway track, twisting my foot here and there. Oh, I have to be careful by chance if some trains come. Oh, so I think I should go to the side foot track to be on the safer side. And from here actually you can have a panoramic view of the Ridyapatti hill. There, that is Ridyapatti, and if you can see a small temple, that is Sai Baba. If I run along and take a skirting route, I'll be passing through that Sai Baba Mandir. Still 5-6 kilometers more to go to finish my today's morning routine. So I'll take that route and finish off at the Sai Baba Mandir. Today it's a little bit hazy in the morning, so clarity is a bit restricted. So moving along this trail which will be taking me to the Sai Baba Mandir. That would be a good destination for me to complete my morning jog. And there, after finishing, I'm planning to do some stretching exercises and then back to home. This place has always been a good jogging location, so I think I have a good idea for my next videos. I think I will do a series of videos where I try to explore and discover good jogging locations in Nellai or Tirunelveli. This jog is, one can say, an exploratory one, because this is the first time I'm going on this route and trying to explore, moving as per my instinct and trying to move and do my pacing and timing towards the Sai Baba Mandir. So taking that as a landmark, I'm moving ahead, though the actual route is not known to me, or I had gone here on ground previously. But still, I find that when you go on a new route, it is more interesting and breaks the monotony of that routine tarmac running. And here sometimes you encounter various bird species which are a beautiful sight to see. Yeah, I can see some eagles sitting across Yeah, I'll try to. Yeah, there you can see one more has come. Yeah, see there, you can see the 3 eagles perched on the poles there. Yeah, beautiful sight. In the morning you get beautiful and amazing sights to see and explore. Yeah, slowly moving ahead because I have to go alongside these beautiful birds only, so they will fly away. No choice, but I have to take this route only. Yeah, moving ahead. Whew. I tried to run as slowly and softly as possible, but the kite still flew off. Yeah, but it was a good sight seeing all those sitting there so near to me. There are other birds which are a easy sight nowadays in the month of March. That is Ibis, green hornet, and the egret are quite often here. So beautiful sights in the morning. That's why I prefer jogging or doing my physical activity in the early hours of the day, because that time it is fresh. A lot of animal species are moving about their daily routine, and you are able to catch them, and that makes your morning routine even more wonderful and a place where you look forward to go again. Yeah, one more. Yeah. See, I told you there are numerous species of birds which you can see here, but you have to be very soft and slow in your movement, otherwise they fly off. But during jog it's difficult to keep waiting and do the bird watching, but still. So I am also getting rest, which is a beautiful break for me here. I'll try to capture it through my phone camera if possible. Let's see. Passing through 2 walls, I don't know what they are meant for. One is onto the left and one to the right. Maybe for some water reservoir or something, I don't know. I think I'm nearing some tarmac road. This throne has, that's what I'm saying, that though the track is quite wide enough for you to jog and not much of undergrowth, but lot of thorny bushes. Okay, the road is nearby only. From here, Sayoba would be around 1 kilometer. Whew. So from that turning, it is 500 to 600 meters to Sai Baba Mandir, which is up there in the hill. So it's all the way up. Oh, poor snake has been crushed. So these are common sights in the wilderness of these Valley place, where I find a lot of snakes getting crushed due to the vehicles. These places are remote in the sense that very less habitant as compared to the city. So a lot of reptiles, and even you can see rabbits. The jungle based rabbits are also here, though by the time you try to click them or capture them with your camera, they are already away. And birds as such, I have shown you many times, there are a lot of birds of local and migratory birds also which come here. I think because of the lot of water bodies which are prevalent here, so it's good place for them to come and procreate their species and for their food habitat. Some more effort and we'll be there at the Sai Baba Mandir. So we have reached our destination, the Sai Baba Mandir. I'll just take off my shoes and then move inside. So climbing up the first floor after the darshan, and here inside on the first floor is again the Sai Baba statue. Beautiful. We'll take a round and come to the other side, from where you get a beautiful view of the entire Patti and the Johnson village as it is called here, though it is not fully fledged a colony, but in times to come I think this will get again inhabited by concrete jungle, which will be a pity because this place is a frequent location for the early morning joggers and physical activity guys who come here and take a round. Okay guys, so I am finished off with the Sai Baba Mandir, which was my destination for today. And to summarize it, it was a trail run on the railway track, again trail, and on the tarmac, and coming back to the Sai Baba Mandir, which was the destination. Altogether a beautiful jog today. So this was my motivation, which is an exploratory one. So let me know what is your motivation to get up in the morning and go for the outdoor activity. So till then, take care, bye, all the best, keep the dosh.